Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Trend lines help traders identify and follow market trends by connecting significant price points, typically highs or lows. They highlight the direction of the trend, whether upward or downward. Trend lines help us visualize the market direction. An upward trend line connects higher lows, while a downward trend line connects lower highs. For example, over here you can see where it breaks the trend and the upward trend continues. They provide dynamic support or resistance, giving insight into market strength and potential reversal zones. Trend lines are straight lines drawn on the chart to connect significant price points. Upward trend lines connect the lows in an uptrend, while downward trend lines connect the lower highs in a downtrend. They help traders visualize the direction and strength of a trend. For instance, a trend line with a steep slope indicates a strong trend, while a flat line shows a weak downtrend. That's how we use trend lines. Gan took it a bit further by using similar trend lines in what's called the Gann fan, which we will show in another video. These lines show dynamic support, resistance, and potential reversal zones, along with their timings.